Talvekar and I am a sports dentist. Our today's topic is the second topic in the lecture series of Sports Dental Care Awareness. Today's topic is what is a mouth guard and what are the types of mouth guards suitable for the athletes according to their sport play. A mouth guard is basically a type of device which covers the teeth and gums and protects the teeth, the arches, the lips and the gums during the sports activity that is played. Now we will see here what are the various types of mouth guards and we will compare them as well. Now this is a stock mouth guard. It is available in any kinds of sports stores or available online on any stores. Okay. Now this is the least protective type of mouth guard because it doesn't fit properly to the athlete's mouth, and even if the athlete wears it, there is no proper protection. So while wearing this mouth guard, if the athlete falls, there is no guarantee of any protection. The athlete faces difficulty while talking and breathing after wearing this mouth guard. So basically it is of no use and it is absolutely not recommended by the dentists. Now we shift to the third type of mouth guard. The second one I will be talking a bit detail. The third type of mouth guard is the custom fabricated mouth guard which is made by the dentist in the dental clinic. For this mouth guard, the athlete has to visit to the dentist. There are roughly 2 to 3 appointments that are required, in which in the first visit of the athlete, the dentist takes a detailed case history of the athlete, as in what is the sporting history, what is the age, what is the requirement, what type of sport the athlete plays. Accordingly, the type of mouth guard is decided. Custom fabricated mouth guards, again there are two main types of mouth guards. The vacuum formed mouth guards and thermo fabricated mouth guards. Now, the disadvantage of vacuum fabricated mouth guards is that they are, they are single lined mouth guards, as in we cannot have 2 layers in them. So the protection is limited, so only for certain sports we can recommend them. But now these are thermodynamic mouth guards. So in this, the mouth guard is thermodynamically pressed on the cast of the athlete's mouth. Okay, so because of this, it has a very good fit to the athlete's mouth. And the second most advantage is that they can be made single layered, double layered, triple layered, etc. So this can be customized for any kind of sport the athlete is playing. Now for example, if the athlete is playing a non-contact sport like cycling or skating, then a single layered thermo-formed mouth guard can be made. If the athlete is playing any medium contact sports like football, basketball, etc., then a double layered mouth guard, like for example this, can be made. Here 2 layers are there to this mouth guard. And if the athlete is playing any high-end, high-velocity sport like boxing, kickboxing, mixed martial arts, hockey, etc., where there is a high chance of getting hit on the face and the teeth, then a triple layered mouth guard is made. Okay. Now also for athletes who are having braces, especially younger patients, it is very important that their teeth are covered with the mouth guard as well. So even for them, a custom fabricated mouth guard is a good choice. In which case, what the dentist does is applies a wax strip to the braces and then takes an impression of that area, and after that this kind of mouth guard is fabricated. So see, basically it is very important for the athlete wearing the braces, because in case if he or she they get injured, the wires of the braces they get into the lips, teeth, there are lacerations, cut. Okay, and because of that, that can lead to a severe damage, lot of bleeding takes place. So it is very important that braces athletes, younger athletes, mixed dentition athletes wear these kind of mouth guards. After that, the second best, see, this is the best type of mouth guard for athletes. The second best type of mouth guards are the most popular mouth guards, the boil and bite mouth guards. They are being used since ages by the athletes and they are very popular. And no doubt there are many types of mouth guards that coming up like these. Okay, so in India now, this one type of mouth guard is becoming quite popular, which is the Opro Boil and Bite mouth guard. It is of three types according to the type of protection it can give. So silver, bronze, gold, and this one version you can see youth Opro mouth guard. It is for athletes who are 10 and younger, and these mouth guards like silver, bronze, the gold one I don't have right now, but the silver, bronze ones, they are for athletes above 10. So this is the way basically they are fabricated. Hot boiling water is taken, the mouth guard is inserted in it, and it is softened. Then it is inserted into the athlete's mouth. It is pressed along the athlete's teeth. It is taken out again. It is dipped in cold water, and again it is fit into the athlete's mouth. If the athlete is sure and if the dentist is sure that the mouth guard has fitted properly, then it is fine. But if the fit is not yet come, then again the same procedure is repeated, and the impression is again taken of the athlete's mouth, and again it is fitted. So these mouth guards, they can be fitted in the clinic or on the field as well. So if you as an athlete or a coach, if you are having any doubt as to what kind of mouth guard is more suitable for you, visit your sports dentist and get to know what type of mouth guard is suitable for you. Now, how to take care of the mouth guard? Basically, you have to keep it in a perforated container. You have to properly, thoroughly wash it every day. You have to keep it protected from sunlight or any extreme temperatures. And once in 6 months or a year, you have to get your mouth guard examined by the sports dentist. So now here we come to the end of this lecture, and the next lecture, the third lecture, will be on oral care issues of athlete. So this is Dr. Sneha Devekar signing off. Please keep tuned for the next lecture. Thank you so much.